Alright, so this video is going to be about the Trivium. I'm going to go over some of the topics that are discussed in the Sister Miriam Joseph version. I'm going to show a little bit of this. The Trivium is logic, grammar, and rhetoric, which constitute the Trivium, and arithmetic, music, geometry, and astronomy constitute the Quadrivium. For both the utilitarian arts and the fine arts are transitive activities, whereas the essential characteristic of the liberal arts is that they are immanent or intransitive activities. The utilitarian arts produce utilities that serve the wants of humanity. The fine arts, if he is of the highest order, produces a work that is a thing of beauty and joy forever. It says in here on page 7, the accumulation of facts is mere information and is not worthy to be called education, since it burdens the mind and stultifies it instead of developing, enlightening, and perfecting it. Even if one forgets many of the facts one once learned and related, the mind retains the vigor and perfection gained by its exercise upon them. It can do this, however, only by grappling with facts and ideas. Moreover, it is much easier to remember related ideas than unrelated ideas. It says here, logic is concerned with a thing as it is known, grammar is concerned with the thing as it is symbolized, and rhetoric is concerned with the thing as it is communicated. Correctness is the norm of phonetics, spelling, and grammar. Effectiveness is the norm of rhetoric. Truth is the norm of logic. Correctness in thinking is the normal means to reach truth, which is the conformity of thoughts with things as they are, with reality. And this book goes over grammar, which talks about symbols and what they are, what they mean, as well as things like imitation, the nature of language. There's the sound, and then there's the mark of language, but there's also different categories and things like that that are important to understanding the differentiation of and classification of things as they are. Words like essence, species, genus, and aggregate constitute the varying forms of differentiation that can occur, as well as words like precept or percept and phantasm. Percept is like a portrait being painted by the artist, and phantasm is more like the same portrait possessed and looked at whenever one wishes for years afterwards. So this is just a brief overview of the